What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the 3-in-1 thicker lawn. I did use this brand before. If you have not seen my tree removal video, I told people on that video that when I removed all the trees back here, I reseeded the whole backyard was redone. So I actually used this seed right here. And when I did the overseeding last year, I used the Greenview. Now, I am not using Greenview as of yet this year, so I will be overseeding because I just did the lawn aeration. So I will be overseeding with the Scott's thicker lawn. So I will let y'all see what it looks like. We are going to get into the overseeding, and that will be it. I will give y'all weekly updates. So as you know, when I do these reviews, I try to get back to y'all at least 2 to 3 weeks so I could give y'all like the growth of the seeds every week. As y'all know, as I do on my grass seed videos. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys, right now it is like 8 o'clock in the morning. I did do the aeration yesterday. I did want to do the overseed yesterday, but guess what? That aeration kicked my butt, you guys. I'm letting y'all know now. It kicked me to the ground, but I'm still up though. I got back up this morning. All right. Now, let me see. It should tell you your overseeding, what level you should be at overseeding and stuff like that. So right now I am looking. Usually it says overseeding and it tells you the level in overseeding. Well, it don't tell me on here. Maybe it's not this bag that tells you because it's mixed in with seed fertilizer and soil improver. So I will just go with my gut instinct on this one, you guys. All right. I don't think I'm gonna put the setting. I might put it on 9. I have a lot of seed right here, so I'm gonna see what 9 looks like, and then we'll go from there. Just in case you've never seen it, you have the seeds, you have the fertilizer, and you have the soil improver. Okay, and that's what we want to do. We want to fertilize, we want to improve our soil, and we want to reseed. Now, once again, most of this back here is the Scott's 3-in-1. It grows pretty good. All right, I just want to get down to these spots that I'm always getting, but we will tackle it, you guys. We will tackle it. So let me go ahead. I am going to put the setting on 9. That's what they got as far as the rotary spreader. Mine's is the edge guard, and here we go. Oh, let me put, oh, got my edger on. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the edger off. Okay, 9 don't seem bad. I'll leave it on 9. Need some more seeds. Trying to get inside all those holes, you guys. Did some good aeration yesterday. Only thing left required is watering. All right, you guys, I'll get to y'all with some updates and some specs and other stuff that comes with overseeding. All right, you guys, so it has been about 2 to 3 weeks after the aeration and the overseeding program, and I want to say it's doing pretty good. That 3-in-1 actually showing off the fertilizer. This stuff is actually growing pretty fast per week. Yeah, so I'm actually cutting twice a week. Before I was cutting just once a week because it wasn't growing that fast, but with this fertilizer it is truly growing. And remember, I do have cool season grass, so the 3-in-1 is coming in. Other than that, I'm ready to do a cut and keep y'all updated. But yeah, it's looking pretty good.
I want to hear salsa.
All right, you guys, we are looking good. So the 3-in-1 actually came out looking pretty nice as far as the overseeding goes. As you can see, we have a little spot right there. We have like 2 more over here, but the other spots have came in, and wow, looking really good, nice and green.